Do you know that YouTube is hiding your videos from new viewers? And this is as a result to the recent big shift with the YouTube's algorithm. This is actually affecting bigger creators. A lot of big channels are already coming out, and it's also affecting some small channels as well. So if you are uploading videos back to back, or let's assume that you used to get views before, but all of a sudden you do not even know what is going on your channel, I'm going to be explaining it for us in this video, and what you can even start doing. That is showing you how exactly YouTube is hiding your videos from new viewers, and what you can even do to improve the situation. Okay, so as usual, try your best to make sure to pay attention. And with that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So now, first of all, you have to understand that YouTube is not intentionally hiding your videos from new viewers. This is actually what is going on YouTube. Here there's what we call new viewers and your channel viewers, that is your subscribers. So this is how YouTube actually recommend and push a video. Let's assume that your channel, you have up to like 10,000 subscribers, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, or even 1 million subscribers. So the minute you upload a video now, what the YouTube algorithm does first is to show it to the viewers you have already on your channel. So they are going to be judging that your content based on the audience you have. So now, if those audience are not clicking on that your video to watch, then there is every tendency that that video is going to sleep on your channel, despite how great the content is. Why? Is because they feel that for somebody to subscribe to your channel, the person should at least find your content engaging. So it is if your subscribers are clicking on the video to watch and that engagement is going up, that is what is going to make them to keep pushing the video even to more new viewers. That is, new viewers will be able to discover the content. But a case whereby it's not happening, then you're going to be experiencing low views. Okay, so that is one aspect, or that is one way YouTube recommend and push a particular video. Now the second way is, this is mostly for new channels or smaller channels. That is why I think smaller channels have much more advantage sef. Why? Is because as a new channel or a channel with few audience, the minute you upload a video, the YouTube algorithm itself knows that this channel does not really have viewers. So what they do is to pick out that particular video and put it out there. That is, first of all, showing it to some few groups of people. So it's actually in the hands, in those groups of people that YouTube is showing your content to either click on it or watch. That is why I used to tell us that for your video to go viral, it's never in the hands of the YouTube's algorithm. It's actually from the content itself and the consumers, which are your audience. Do you understand? So that is why most of the times we have to pay attention to the video we are creating. So now we've been able to understand that there's what we call new viewers and the viewers you have already on your channel. A very good example is, I was going through the YouTube homepage. I was studying two different faceless channels. Not just only two different faceless channels. I was comparing some channels together with some smaller channel. I came across a big channel here in the faceless niche with over 5 million subscribers. Do you know that a channel with over 5 million subscribers still uploads a video, and in 8 days that channel is getting only 4,000 views? I even happened to see a video on that same channel with only 2,000 views. Now do not get me wrong, that does not mean that there are no other videos that as well blow up. Do you understand? That is, get the usual 100k views or even 50k views. So I was comparing that channel with another smaller channel that had only 3,000 subscribers. This channel literally pulls the views. That is, every single video this channel drop passes 10,000, 20,000 views. So this is for you to understand that when it comes to YouTube recommending your content here, if you have subscribers, it is in the duty of your audience, it is in the duty of your viewers to actually make YouTube to push out your content more. So the question is, what can I actually do to change this situation on my channel? That is, if you notice that each time you upload your video, if the subscribers you have on your channel does not engage with it, that video is not going to perform well. These are 4 things you can start doing on your channel. So now the number one reason could be that your audience got used to one particular kind of content. So when you go ahead to start diverting topics or making videos on what they are not really interested with at that moment, that is making videos on what they are not really interested in at that moment, then there is every possibility that they are not going to engage. And for the fact that they did not engage on that video to watch, then it's going to bring low visibility to your content. So what you would want to do is try your best to make sure that you always stick in line with what made people to subscribe to your channel. To me, I think personally, day by day, the YouTube algorithm is actually becoming tougher, because most at times when you feel that you've been able to crack a particular code, boom, you're facing another thing entirely. So if you are a type that you love transitioning to different topics, you want to talk about different topics at a time, it might be the reason why your views is actually not increasing, or you are experiencing low views. What you have to do is come back, start jotting down what made people actually subscribe to your content, or even judge by some of the recent videos you have posted that got this high visibility. Then go ahead and follow that pattern. Okay, so then the number two reason is maybe people are clicking on your video but leaving too fast, and this particular one can actually cause your video to not get the desired visibility it's supposed to get. So if you're posting your contents and you discover that your intro part or the beginning part of your video, you're noticing that drop from your YouTube studio analytics, then YouTube itself does not push videos like that. So you have to work on it. It could be that your video intro was not strong enough, or the hook was actually making people to click off, or let's say your video is not even promising what your title or your thumbnail is saying. So there are so many things that can actually make a viewer click on your content and click out immediately. Your duty as a creator is to study it, try to find out exactly why it's happening that way or what the issue is, and fix it. Okay, it could be your hook, it could be your title pattern, it could be your thumbnail. And this particular video here is a great example to the number one point I shared earlier on. This is a video I felt that, oh, my viewers are really going to watch it, because I've been getting such kind of comments. But unfortunately, I did it and the video flopped. But I know that if someone who really talks about AI content creation tools and stuff like that, had it been that person actually made this kind of video, this is a type of video that is supposed to really go viral. But for the fact that my audience are not interested, they didn't show any interest in the video, and that's it, and that is the reason why YouTube did not push the video further. So have you seen that somehow the YouTube's algorithm is actually hiding our content from new viewers due to these big shifts with their algorithm and the way they recommend and push videos. So the third reason why you might be experiencing this low shift or this YouTube hiding your video is as a result of, if your content start becoming too predictable to your audience or to your viewers. That is, for instance, you upload a video about subscriber today, and maybe in a week time you're repeating the same kind of video without anything changes, nothing new, the same circle. So your viewers already know what to expect. So the minute they see your content and your title with your thumbnail, they just feel, oh, it's the usual do this and do that. So there's no point of clicking on that video to watch. So in all what to do, you have to try your best to make sure that your content does not sound too repetitive. That is, once your viewers are already used to a particular kind of thumbnail, kind of title, there is nothing new, it tends to affect your video visibility. And then secondly, if you're a type that you do not really stick to a particular time, let's say today you're posting in the morning, when next you're posting when your audience are not even active on YouTube. It can literally affect your visibility. So have you seen that at the end of the day, growth here on YouTube is sometimes is now difficult because of this recent algorithm shift, because it's not like this before. If it was in the past, for the fact that you have a million subscriber on YouTube, then every single video you're putting out there is supposed to be going viral. But just go ahead and study so many big channels with over 10 million subscribers at the moment. You will see videos with just 5k views, videos with 2k views. That's for you to understand that this big shift is actually real. Okay, so what we can do is to keep on trying our best, implementing, changing things, trying to fix our titles. If we feel that might be where the issue is coming from, likewise our thumbnail as well. So if you're able to fix this gradually, then trust me, with time you're going to start getting that visibility and growth on your channel once again. So thank you so much for watching this particular video, and do well to make sure to like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share this video so that I can get to a lot of other YouTubers out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.